This is LastTissue, the modern take on the handkerchief, and replaces up to 2,800 single-use tissues. The average American uses more than 500 facial tissues per year. To make that, 8 million trees have to be cut down and 9 billion gallons of water will be contaminated in the process. LastTissue is the environmentally friendly alternative to single-use facial tissues. Next time you need a new one, simply grab a new one from the bottom. And a new one. When all 6 handkerchiefs have been used, you'll notice the marked one emerging. Simply wash them and start all over again. It comes in different colors, so you know which one's yours. It's sanitary and easy to clean. So let's bring back the handkerchief for when life is sad. When you're going on a date, getting married, or for messy times. Last year we made LastSwab that was crowdfunded with more than 30,000 happy customers and oh so much awesome feedback. Together with you, LastTissue can make a huge difference. So, what are you waiting for?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for pledging.
Thanks for switching to LastTissue.
Hey, check out the pledges below. Otherwise, you might forget.